Samiul Ali min Shaitanir Rajim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Most Merciful, we thank God Almighty for giving us the privilege to deliver the introduction of this market proposed by our giant engineer and the proposer in person of Alhaji Sani Bako Gadankaya, in collaboration with his colleagues, named as Awal Yusuf and Engineer Jinjuri, which we are here with us. The issue of this market come as a result of the coming of the Alhaji Sani, that he observed this particular axis has a problem of insecurity, particularly that is tampering with our teeming youth. So that is why he now developed this idea in order to reduce the crime of this particular axis by introducing the market project, whereby he starts with the first phase known as Parapara as a practical example, and God make it possible and put more encourage to him that he can be able to at least call the attention of the nearby people to at least patronage, whereby the place now is almost done, which is 80% of that particular space has been occupied by different individuals and different business people, whereby we thank God for the coming in of the people. Secondly, as he explained, that the place initially is not big enough, but by God willing and the God permission, give us the means to provide or to get more land, whereby it contain more people. Because before we are thinking the place is very small, cannot contain all the part of the marketers. So we are now appreciate the good effort that make us get more land to accommodate more people. So we are seeking the immigrants, that is the people around, to come and they make this place the entire market. And the next thing is the issue of this calling the attention of the government and the traditional rulers, because there is no way an individual person to just come from nowhere, which is far away from this place, all the way from Kano, to come and initiate this place without the collaboration and the joining of the more hands, particularly the traditional rulers and the government. So we are now trying to initiate or to call the attention of the traditional rulers and the government to come in, because there is some other key places that we cannot handle it alone. We need government intervention and traditional rulers to come together so that we can move forward. And this introduction, we want to take it like a segment. Since we have done with the part of the the purpose of our coming, then we are taking the next step from the chairman before we proceed. Yes, a lot are coming. So thank you for the listening and the hearing. So you are all welcome.